Start with a new chapter, financial management, and in this chapter you are going to study the concept of financial management, the role of financial management in an organization. We are going to discuss the objectives of financial management, the three financial decisions which are taken by a company, the concept of financial planning, and the importance of financial planning. Also, we are going to understand the concept of capital structure, fixed and working capital. So before we move on to understanding the concept of financial management, we need to understand what do you mean by the word finance or business finance. See, almost all business activities require some finance. So finance is considered as a lifeblood of business. Money required for carrying out the business activity. So what can be the business activities? It can be the purchase of any fixed asset like machinery, factory, building, or it can be also needed to maintain the day-to-day operations of the business like buying material, paying bills, salary, or collecting cash from customers. So there are several activities which are carried out in a business, and whatever money you require for carrying out such business activity is called as business finance. Now what do you mean by financial management? Financial management is concerned with optimum procurement as well as usage of finance. So the two keywords over here is optimal procurement. What do you mean by optimal procurement? As you have studied previously in your classes, that there are two sources of borrowing. One is owner's fund and one is borrowed funds. So optimal procurement of funds means you actually select the most available resources of finance, and you identify it and compare in terms of their cost and associated risk. So you need to identify the different sources of finance. You need to compare it on the basis of the associated cost and the associated risk. Similarly, the finance so produced or procured need to be invested in a manner that the return from the investment exceed the cost at which the procurement has taken place. In simpler terms, if I say whatever finance you have borrowed, that needs to be invested in a manner so that it could give you a higher rate of return. So financial management is a key word which means that it aims at reducing the cost of funds procured, keeping the risk under control, and achieving effective deployment of such funds. What is the role of financial management? Before understanding the role of financial management, you need to understand the role of financial manager. A financial manager is a person who takes care of all the important financial functions of an organization. So the person in charge should maintain far-sightedness in order to ensure that whatever funds he has procured is utilized in the best possible manner. So how does he do it? So financial management is concerned with, as I said earlier, optimal procurement as well as usage of finance. A good financial management aims at procuring funds at a lower cost, keeping the risk under control, and achieving a correct or an effective deployment of such funds in the most productive activities. It makes sure that the availability of funds, that means it also aims at ensuring availability of enough funds. So whenever you require, you might raise available funds, and also you avoid idle finance. The financial statements such as balance sheet and statement of profit and loss account of a business are largely determined by the financial management decisions taken earlier. So these are the roles of financial management.